Hi, you can call me Priyanka. I'm very thrilled, I'm very happy that this October 2025 I'm rolling out 21 parents, 21 home plans for parents of 21 children on the spectrum. And I'm thrilled because 11 of those children are from the age between the age of 2 years to 3 years. You know, when you work with such young children, you can see drastic change and a lot of improvements and leaps and bounds. So I'm really thrilled, and I request all the parents, not just the younger children, parents of all the kids, to follow each and every activity. The first 2 weeks are, you might think that the activities are very mundane, the topics is very mundane, it's very simple, what's there to follow. But the changes it's asking you to do, please do this. It's just preparing you to start the work with your child. The first 2 weeks are general instructions and general changes that you need to do in yourself, in your approach, in your thought process, in your child's daily activities, in your child's daily routine, in your household, the thought process of your family members. I know it's very tough. You are here, you are you are the representative of your family to me. So I will try my best that I can convey the same message by changing your thought process, you know, uh, by making you do activities which is going to build trust on you of your family. Okay, so I mean, so that they start trusting you more, and in your ways, and that can see that yes, you are working for your child and you are doing a wonderful job. So, and why this home programs and all the classes which I do and all the videos which I do, I don't have any scripts. I don't record it, I don't edit it, and I don't put a lot of makeup and jhumka and bindi and try to dress nicely. Whatever is required, I do only that, because everything which I'm saying, which I'm trying to do, or my classes or my videos, they are straight from my heart. I have followed umpteen number of Facebook videos, YouTube channels, quick tips from people, spent online a lot of time searching what to do, what not to do, while my child was right there in front of me when he was from the age of 2 to 4. So I don't want, and it was a waste of time. People have suggested me uh, uh, activities to do which were of good for nothing. People have wasted. I will not say they have purposely done that. Maybe they are doing that for a really long time and that is what they believe in. But I know how, it's not wasting your and my time. It's our kids' time who's getting wasted. That is getting wasted. I don't want that to happen. And all the plans, all the activities have a scientific background, have a psychological background. Whatever activities are there, I can vouch on them. I can give proofs, I can give medical uh, proofs, I can give psychological, background of medicine, background of science, background of psychology. But I have tried to keep them very simple, because I want you to just know what to do and just implement it. That's what parents say. क्या करना है ये बताओ. Tell me what to do and we'll do it. So if this is the request, that's why I've come up with this home program. I did this last year also. I've been doing this on and off with 2 parents, 3 parents, 4 parents. So I'm very happy. This October I'm starting rolling off 21 plans. So all the very best to me, all the very best to you, and God bless our children all their lives. Thank you. A lot of videos coming up.